I would like to talk to you for a moment about food. I know I've talked to you about food on many occasions, many aspects of food and nutrition and so forth. But this is a little bit different. Uh, Same subject matter for the most part about the benefits of food. And I want you to ask yourself this question: is food your medicine? And should food be your medicine? Hey, there are a few elements required for us to live, to sustain our lives. One of those is oxygen. We need oxygen to breathe, right? You agree. We also need water. 2/3 of our body is water. About 85% of our body is water. We need water. Now, to feed our bodies, to sustain our health, to keep mental clarity, to have smooth skin and fully functional internal organs, heart beating in a healthy rhythm, circulatory system working without any defect, respiratory system working without that much effort, functioning normally, our endocrine system working, our elimination and digestive system working perfectly. Food is the answer. Of course, exercise as well, and proper rest. But the question today is food. We have to have food. But what is food, ladies and gentlemen? Animals in nature consume food. For what? For life. We consume food. For what? For life. Our very lives. So that we can exist. Is that hard to comprehend? Okay, now, but what is this four-letter word that we call food? What is it really? It is a substance that grows from plants, vegetation, and even animal life. That's food upon this earth. It contains all of the life elements, minerals, vitamins, amino acids, protein, fiber, especially in our vegetables and our plant life. All of the things that we need to survive is in food. That's just a handful of things. So, if we need food to survive, are you following me? If we need food to survive, to help to rebuild our body, our cells and our tissues and our organs, if we need food for that, then we have to make very certain that we are eating proper food. Not a counterfeit. It makes very good sense then that food is also our medicine. I'm not talking about something that was manufactured or created in the laboratory. I'm talking about that which came from nature itself. Mother Nature, we call it that food. Something that has not been tainted by any chemicals, no pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, or any other side. Real food, organically coming from Mother Earth. We need that to survive. So it has to have been a good question. Is food your medicine? And the answer is yes. But do we really need medicine? if food is life sustaining. Anything outside of your food that has been denatured, that has been tampered with, that has anything that's artificial added to it, can be deemed as toxic to this body of mine and yours. No matter how long we have been consuming it or them, these food items, all of the sugars, all of the processed foods, to include restaurant foods, TV dinners, microwavable snacks and dinners, boxed cereals with sugars, white flour, white granulated and powdered sugar, all of the genetically modified stuff, all of the things that's placed in our foods as a preservative that's not natural. Those things are not food. Those are things that's used by the industry to keep food on the shelves so that it can be purchased by the consumers, you and I. So, just a different way in which I explained it this time, but the question is still the same before I part. Should food be your medicine? This is the thought of the day. Yes, food should be your medicine. Food is your medicine. It is everything that you need for this to be healthy. And I did mention, in addition to that, exercise and proper rest. So, if food is what you need to sustain your health, to keep you at your peak and your optimal level of health, then it has to be your medicine, your natural medicine. So, what is not food? Everything that I said food is. Everything that is the opposite of that is not food. Think on this. Anything that's artificial that you put in here is not food. And therefore, it's not medicine. And consequently, you cannot live a long, wholesome, strong, and vibrant life if you're putting things in your body that was never intended to be there in the first place. No matter how much you like the taste, how much you like the aroma, and how long you've been doing it, and who taught you how to do it, and who has trained you how to prepare it. If it's not nature, if it's not natural, then it doesn't belong in nature. It doesn't belong here. Think on this. This is Brother Teacher. What is your food that you're consuming today? And is it your medicine? I'll see you next time. So long.